Avinash. I'm from BMS College. I finished my ENC ENC graduation. The thing is, like, my stint with competitive success started on February 25th, I think, last year. And basically, I was preparing for SBI POs. In April the notification came out, and I was overconfident actually. As an engineer, I thought I can crack them easily, and I just gave my shot at prelims and I cleared. Then for mains, basically everyone will suggest you to take mocks, but I didn't take and missed an opportunity to give interview by just 1 mark. And then there was SSC CGL and missed prelims by 1 mark. I was a little devastated to be thinking in that way, like being an engineer, I couldn't crack this. How can I do that? Then I started working in a firm like software company, but I didn't live this dream. I just, after coming from work, I used to study 3 hours a day. I just continued that practice, and I knew where my shortcoming is and started to work on that. Basically, every exam needs a specific preparation. You can't just prepare for one exam and write another exam. Uh, in whatever the bank exams, the main things you think is quants and reasoning, and everyone seriously leaves out English and general awareness. Basically, those are the two scoring areas, and you have to concentrate more on that and try to get maximum marks in that areas and just clear the cutoffs of this. If you are weak in quants or reasoning, just try to clear the cutoffs in this sectional cutoffs and score maximum in that. I'll give an example of mine in RRBPO, Officer Scale 1. This time there was a national cutoff, not an usual state-wise cutoff for the regional rural banks. And the cutoff was 109.25 all over India. And only 100 people from Karnataka cleared it. Out of the 12,500 selected for interview, only 100 people from Karnataka cleared it. And even I scored just 111.25. The main scoring point was English, where I spent only 15 minutes and attempted 34 questions and got 32 marks. So many think that English is just a difficult language to learn and difficult to just answer the questions. But basically, that is the easiest to score.